Welcome to Amazon's best underwater light showcase. Today we're about to illuminate the depths and unveil the beauty of the underwater world. Whether you're a diver, a snorkeler, or an underwater photographer, we've got the perfect underwater lights for you. The Suptig is a powerful underwater flash for DSLR and mirrorless camera systems. It provides stunning and consistent lighting for underwater photography enthusiasts. The SAMDO is a dive light that's perfect for both recreational and professional divers. It features a compact design and impressive brightness for underwater adventures. The MIK is a compact and budget-friendly video light that offers excellent value for underwater photographers and videographers. It provides a smooth, even beam for vibrant underwater imagery. The Lumitec is a high-output underwater light suitable for both professional and recreational divers. With a wide beam angle and multiple power settings, it's a versatile choice for underwater exploration. The Tendelux is a powerful and versatile underwater light designed for both photo and video. It offers a wide beam and a high-quality cry, making it perfect for underwater photography and videography.